Did you know that one of the biggest cities in the Bible fell down from just making noise? Joshua looked up at the enormous walls of Jericho. They were so thick and tall that no army could break them down. The city looked impossible to capture, but God had a plan, and it was the strangest battle plan ever. March around the city walls, God told Joshua. Carry the ark with you. Do this for 6 days, but don't say a word. Can you imagine how silly this looked? The people of Jericho watched from their walls as the Israelites walked around and around in complete silence. They probably laughed and pointed. On the 7th day, something different happened. The Israelites marched around 7 times. Then Joshua shouted, "Now, blow your trumpets and shout." The noise was incredible. Trumpets blared and voices roared together. Suddenly, the massive stone walls that had stood for hundreds of years came crashing straight down. The Israelites walked right into the city over the flattened walls. God's ways are definitely not our ways.